Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best regenerative blowers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Byjoph High Pressure Regenerative Blower. Byjoph High Pressure Regenerative Blower is a multi-purpose blower suitable for industrial blowing, construction site, fish pond aeration, printing and paper industry, and powder and particle transportation. It features a high-quality ring blower that is made of aluminum alloy casting iron, precise and firm, fire and corrosion resistance. The blower is equipped with a copper coil high-efficiency motor, cold-rolled silicon steel core, and high-temperature sealing bearing, making it highly efficient. Also, the all-aluminum double-sided impeller and dust-proof filter screen make it a quiet operation and keep the fan clean. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Byjoph 4 HP Regenerative Blower. Byjoph Regenerative Blower is a multi-purpose blower suitable for industrial blowing, textile industry, construction site, powder and particle transportation, fish pond aeration, hotel, printing, and paper industry. Equipped with a high-efficiency motor, cold-rolled silicon steel core, and high-temperature sealing bearing, it effectively reduces working temperature and guarantees sustainable operation. The precision clearance between the cavity and impeller ensures stable air pressure output. Its aluminum alloy casting iron body is precise and firm, fire and corrosion resistant, and has good heat dissipation for a long service life. The blower's all-aluminum double-sided impeller and anti-stagnant flow design provide high pressure, fast gas, and quiet operation. Its air inlet and outlet are equipped with dust-proof filter screens to effectively filter impurities and keep the fan clean. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and 12-month replacement or warranty, you can rest assured that you are purchasing a reliable and efficient product. At number 3, we have the Byjoph High Pressure Vortex Blower. The Byjoph Vortex Blower is a high-efficiency solution designed for various applications, including sewage aeration and industrial blowing. Its copper coil motor and specialized steel core help keep the blower running cool, enhancing its durability. You will appreciate the precision design that stabilizes pressure output, making it reliable for tasks requiring consistent airflow. This blower is built from durable aluminum alloy, providing resistance against fire and corrosion, ensuring a long lifespan. Additionally, its double-sided impeller design promotes quiet operation while effectively filtering dust and impurities, keeping your workspace clean and efficient. At number 2, we have the Gurui USA GHBH 003 Regenerative Blower. The Gurui Regenerative Blower is designed with high-quality German technology, ensuring it lasts through regular use. You can easily install it in any position, whether vertical or horizontal, making it adaptable to your workspace. This blower is great for moving large amounts of air while maintaining low-pressure vacuum, providing versatility for different tasks. Plus, it operates quietly at just 74 dB and is practically maintenance-free and oil-free, making it an environmentally friendly option that saves you time and effort. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gast R3105 12 Regenerative Blower. The Gast blower R3105 12 is designed for high-volume vacuum and compressed air tasks, making it ideal for various industrial applications. Its ability to mount in any orientation offers you flexibility in installation, allowing you to optimize your workspace. With oilless operation, you benefit from reduced maintenance and cleaner air output, which is crucial for sensitive environments. Additionally, the automatic restart thermal protection feature ensures that the blower operates safely, minimizing the risk of overheating and prolonging its lifespan. This combination of features makes it a reliable choice for your air management needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.